Hi guys, it's me Shilan Dito, so welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Bira-bira ako mag-unboxing ng sapatos dito sa vlog ko. Actually, I did that. That was December, no, kay Fila Disruptor 2 na color gray na variant na nakuha ko. So, yep. So, if naka-follow kayo or if friend ko kayo sa Facebook, will definitely alam mo na kung ano itong sapatos na to. So, I am aiming or I am trying to aim for a new shoes that is actually customized or ako yung mismo yung nag-design ng sapatos. Yes, it is possible under Nike. This is what we call a Nike by You, which is dito, lahat ng gusto mong design, ikaw nang bahala. Okay, so without further ado, play my intro. Okay, ano ba yung tinutukoy ko na tinutukoy kong Nike costume, Nike by You. So first of all is you have to log in. Again, this is not paid or this is not collaboration with Nike. I'm just overwhelmed kasi good job dun sa ginawa nila. Guys, binuksan ko na siya kasi nga disinfect ko pa siya para if ever man na mag-unboxing tayo, eh mabilis na lang siya. Okay, first is go to nike.com/ph. There you go, and then mag-login lang kayo. After mag-login, so mayroon na kayo may account, lagyan nyo lang dito is Nike by You. And then hanapin dito yung Nike Air Force, which is yun yung kinuha ko, yung Nike Air Force. Hanapin lang natin. Okay, let's pretend ito na lang kunyari. Click nyo yung para may pad na iba-ibang color. And then, click Customize. Okay, so dito from the vamp, itong vamp which is pinaka-inner part or sa pinaka-front, pwedeng piliin like gray, pwede nyo gawin gray, pwede nyo gawin dead white, pwede nyo rin gawin color pink or magic flamingo. It is still up to you until na-reach mo na yung pinakadulo, which is ito yung aking naging design. Papakita ko sa inyo. Ito yung naging aking design. Ang pinili kong design guys is tricolors, which is gray, flamingo pink, and a dirty white or cream white. So, ito siya guys. Yan ang kanyang itsura. Ako mismo yung nag-design, namili ng colors. Ako yung i-distribute yung mga color ng pink, yung white, yung inner part and the outer part of the leather. So as you can see guys, zoom natin. Kinostomize ko siya. Ginawa kong SHN or stand for Shane, which is my name, para well customized talaga. Ako yung owner ng shoes. And then from the outsole, yan, ako lahat halos nag-design. And then after that, you have to, it costs 5,795 pesos. Handling fee and shipping fee is excluded. So, if you're going to pay overall, so you charge ka ng 6,295 pesos for the handling fee and the shipping fee. So, kamusta naman yung handling fee at shipping fee nila? Since meron tayong enhanced community quarantine, nag-expect ako ng 60 days bago siya dumating dito sa Pilipinas kasi it is made from Hong Kong. So Hong Kong pa siya ginawa since nandun talaga yung pinaka-factory outlet ng Nike PH. So April 11 ako nag-place ng aking order and then I got it May 4, so less than 1 month. So yung estimated arrival in order ko siya sa Nike PH is May 30 pa siya dapat darating. Finally, it's here. Na-unbox ko na siya guys. Alam ko na yung laman niya. So I will let you to see my customized shoes. So, dito sa part na to guys, nandito yung address ko. Personal information ko dito. Ganon din dito. Tapos naka-indicate kung ilang kilo siya. So, 1.6 kilograms. Yung nandito niya. and then yung order ID number ko. Tapos, mode of payment, there is no cash on delivery available sa kanilang transaction, only debit or credit card. Okay? Don't worry, na-disinfect ko na po. And then, makikita mo yung, makikita mo, nakawit yung design ko dito. So, takpan muna natin. Anyway, napakita ko na para sa ano. So, ito nga guys, Nike by You, size 9 men's. And then, another box na naman po tayo. So, Nike by You. Malaking Nike by You na nakalagay dito sa harapan. Kita niyo ba? Sa lahat ng Nike, ito yung mas premium yung dating compare sa mga Nike shoes na available na meron ako. For example, ito, nasa harapan ko ngayon is si Nike Air Force 270 color orange. Ayan. Color orange. Ito yung pinaka-common box na meron sa Nike usually pag bumibili sapatos. Nike, since Nike by You siya, customize siya, nasa white box, tapos dihila. Ayan. Dihila siya. And then, yung box, iset atin muna natin. So, Nike by You, dito siya nakalagay. Meron siyang papel. Ayan. Okay, so, there you go. Shannon! Okay, see? Ito na siya, guys. So, this is how it looks like. Itong part ng color, dirty white or cream white is, I use, mas pinili ko yung rippled leather para hindi siya totally plain. Kasi I use a plain leather on this part, dito sa color pink. Except dito, kasi itong color na to, itong part na to guys, is rippled siya na color pink. And then, makikita nyo dyan, kung makikita nyo, Nike SHN. So, hindi siya mananakaw kasi it's, you know, nigga, it's my name. And then, I have the pink outsole. And then, white. And then, color pink na tongue. Tapos, pink na lace. And then, pink din na plate, tapos white din dito. So, lahat ng white ripple except dito sa color pink dito sa bottom, or middle, tsaka itong front. Pero ito guys, ripple din siya. Ripple which means textured. Okay. So guys, hindi ko siya may papakita sa inyo kung itsura niya kapag suot kasi nasa bahay lang naman tayo. Pero, I'll give you an update sa Instagram ko. Doon ako may post ng aking mga OOTD. So, medyo may kabigatan siya guys. Okay, may kabigatan ng konti. Ito kasi yung wala pa akong colorway sa mga shoes ko. Sa mga collection ko, wala pa akong color pink na shoes. So, sabi ko why not? Kasi I am also aiming for my first Nike Air Force sa sapatos. Though hindi ako fan ng ganitong shoes na Nike Air Force, pero sabi ko nga kung palagi lang chunky sneakers na meron ako dyan, parang alam mo, you have to get another style para at least paano, meron ka rin iba't ibang I just want to go out from my comfort zone para mas, alam mo yun, mas lumawak pa yung thinking ko sa fashion ko. Disclaimer, I'm not a professional fashion stylist. I'm just me. Ako lang ito. Okay, so that's it. So, papakita ko lang sa inyo ng mas malapitan yung shoes right now.
My bad girl left on me.
Okay guys, so thanks for watching. Sana nagustuhan niyo ang aking unboxing na Nike Air Force, Nike by You. This is actually a very first step on my YouTube channel. So please don't forget to subscribe on my channel but to give me a thumbs up. And please don't also forget to give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to click the ring bell icon so you can be notified whenever I upload a new video like this. And don't forget also to follow me on my social media account. And see you on my next video. Bye!